Hi guys, I'm Mike from Penfield's Bach Rock. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to tune a guitar. Alright gang, before we get started I want to go over a few things. First, on the head of your guitar you're going to have 6 of these guys. We call these tuning pegs. Alright? Now what they do is they get our strings either tighter or looser. Okay? Another thing you might want to have handy before we start tuning is an actual tuner. Now this is just one that attaches the end of the guitar. I've seen tuners as free apps, that sort of thing. So whatever works for you. If you can tune by ear, then even better. Alright guys, so we're going to start with all of these strings here. First we're going to have our high E string. Alright, now that's going to be the skinniest string or the one on the bottom. Alright, and so what you're going to do is you're going to use your tuner, you're going to pluck that bottom string, and you're going to see what it comes up as. Now if you're doing this and you hear it sounds a little off to you and you use your tuner, it says D, right? But we want it to be E. That means we got to tighten our string just a little bit. Alright, and that will bring it up to E. Alright, next we're going to have B. Alright, and that's going to be this second string right here. We're going to go, and that should be B. Third, G. And the same thing, you see F sharp, you see F, you're just going to tighten it up, bring it all the way up to G. Next, we're going to have D. Alright, A. And the final one, the one that's going to be closest to you, is going to be low E. We call him low E because he's low, low, low. Alright? So, how many strings? Right, 6. Alright? We have E, B, G, D, A, and E. And how I remember them, I say, everybody's gotta dance at 11. And that's how I remember the names of my strings. Good luck, guys, tuning your guitars at home. And stop on in for some guitar lessons very soon. See ya.